Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic, which is a 3 litre diesel mild hybrid. This car is brand new, therefore has had no previous owners, and it comes in Carpathian Grey. You have 22-inch silver finish alloys, a powered tailgate. Going into the back you can see your carpets ready to go into the car, and plenty of space for personal items including golf clubs and pushchairs. And you can close the boot using the button on the boot or the one on your key. Fixed side steps making it easier to get in and out of the car, and keyless entry, so if I lock the vehicle I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key is near me. Illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a gorgeous leather interior, which is definitely easier to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice on a sunny day or just if you want some more fresh air. And you can close it using the button there. A front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys often and want to keep refreshments cold. Different suspension levels, higher for off-roading, in the middle for just general driving, or lower to make it easier to get in and out of the car. Different driving modes, including comfort, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl, and you can also see it changing in front of you there, or press it back down for auto. Heated and cooled front seats, which is ideal for winter and summer, along with heated rear seats, which ensures the whole family's happy. Touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. 360-degree surround camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, all helping to make driving along the motorway safer and easier. A heated steering wheel. Memory seats, which is ideal if there's several people driving the car. And a Meridian sound system, making each journey that little bit more enjoyable. This is a brand new car, therefore it's only done 18 miles. And you can also change the layout depending on your own preference. 2 dials, 1 dial, full map, which may be easier to see if you're using the sat nav or your media. And you can also change the settings on this screen, whether you want it to be darker or lighter depending on your own preference again. And you can also change the angle of the screen. And stepping back out of the vehicle, that was the Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.